How to fix PrizePicks app in 2026. PrizePicks won't load. Login keeps failing. The app freezes, crashes, or just shows a blank screen. Thousands of users are searching the same thing right now. Why is PrizePicks not working? Some think it's a bug. Others think they're banned. And some users are worried something much worse is happening. So I spent time digging into what's really going on with the PrizePicks app in 2026, why it stops working, what actually fixes it, and when it's a sign you should stop trying altogether. Let's break it down. I looked into PrizePicks because when a fantasy sports app handles real money, downtime and errors are a serious issue. Apps like DraftKings or FanDuel clearly explain outages, location limits, and maintenance windows. PrizePicks, on the other hand, often just stops working. No clear message. No warning. Just errors, crashes, or login failures. That's where most users panic. Let's start with the most common reasons. PrizePicks stops working. The first and biggest one is location restrictions. PrizePicks is only legal in certain states. If you travel, use a VPN, or your IP changes, the app may block access instantly. Many users don't realize this. They open the app, it doesn't load, and they assume it's broken, but in reality, the app is silently blocking them. Fix. Turn off VPNs completely. Check your state eligibility. Restart the app after disabling any location changing services. The second major issue is server overload or maintenance. During big sports events, PrizePicks traffic spikes. When that happens, the app may freeze on launch, fail to load picks, log you out randomly. This is not your phone's fault. Fix. Wait 15 to 30 minutes. Check PrizePicks social media or status updates. Do not keep reinstalling the app during outages. It won't help. The third problem is outdated app versions. PrizePicks pushes frequent updates to comply with regulations and fix bugs. If your app is even one version behind, it may stop functioning properly. Fix. Go to the App Store or Google Play. Update PrizePicks manually. Then force close the app and reopen it. Next. We have cached and corrupted data issues, especially on Android. Over time, cached data can break login sessions and cause endless loading screens. Fix. Android. Go to Settings, Apps, PrizePicks, Storage, Clear Cache, not Data First. If that doesn't work, reinstall the app. Now, here's the part most users don't expect. Sometimes PrizePicks is working perfectly, but your account isn't. Users report situations where withdrawals are pending, identity verification is incomplete, account reviews are in progress. During these reviews, the app may still open, but certain features won't load, or the app may appear broken. Fix. Check your email. Verify your ID if requested. Contact support directly through the help center. There's also a pattern with VPN and emulator users. PrizePicks actively blocks VPN connections, emulators, modified devices. If you're using any of these, the app may stop working permanently on that device. There is no fix for this other than using a normal phone. Real location and real network. So let's be clear. In 2026, PrizePicks app issues are usually not a scam, but they feel like one because of poor communication. Most problems fall into one of three categories: location restrictions, app version, or cache issues. Account verification or compliance checks. Once you know that, the fixes make sense. Here's the final advice. If PrizePicks is not working, don't panic. Don't keep reinstalling blindly. Don't use VPNs. Don't ignore verification emails. And if the app is down during major events, sometimes the only real fix is patience. If this video helped you fix PrizePicks or understand why it stopped working, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's stuck on the loading screen right now. Drop a comment and tell me, is PrizePicks working for you in 2026, or are you still having issues? Stay sharp, and I'll see you in the next one.